In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your calendar to Calendly. If you're new to Calendly, connecting your calendar is the key to making sure people can only book time with you when you're actually free. I'll walk you through the essential clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so you know what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. First, make sure you're signed in to your Calendly account in a desktop browser. From your Calendly home, look for integrations and apps. This is where Calendly lists all the tools it can connect to. Go ahead and open integrations and apps. Think of this page as your hub for connecting calendars, video tools, CRMs, and more. Today, we'll focus on Google Calendar. Inside integrations and apps, find Google Calendar and select it. You'll recognize it by the Google Calendar name and icon. Clicking it opens the dedicated Google Calendar integration page, which explains what the connection does. It lets Calendly read your busy times to prevent double bookings, and if you choose, automatically add new events you book through Calendly to a calendar you control. On the Google Calendar page, click Connect Calendar Account. A Google sign-in or permissions window may appear. Choose the correct Google account you want to use for scheduling and review the requested permissions. These permissions allow Calendly to check your availability and write events when you get booked. Approve the prompts to continue. If a pop-up blocker prevents the window from opening, briefly allow pop-ups for this site and try again. Once the connection is successful, Calendly will begin syncing your availability. In many setups, you'll see options to decide which calendars should be checked for conflicts and which calendar should receive new events. If you manage multiple calendars, say personal and work, choose the ones that truly reflect when you're busy. You can revisit these choices anytime in your calendar settings if your schedule changes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Confirm your time zone in Calendly matches your primary calendar's time zone to avoid off by 1 hour bookings. If you don't see the right Google account during sign-in, log out of other Google accounts in your browser and try again. Using a managed work account, if permissions are restricted by your organization, your admin may need to allow the Calendly integration. That's it. You clicked integrations and apps, selected Google Calendar, and connected your calendar account. With that in place, Calendly will handle availability checks and put booked meetings on the calendar you choose, so you can schedule confidently without the back and forth.